Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and to share my channel. Press the bell icon button for regular updates. Today I will be discussing the HP TAT Medical 2017 question paper. First, we will discuss botany and zoology section. You can write the question with the answers in your notebook. It will be very helpful for your exams. So, our first question is the removal of weeds from the field is known as weeding. C will be the correct option. Second is embryo sac is to ovule dash is to anther. Ovules आपको पता है कि फीमेल गैमेट्स होते हैं. सो एंथर इज द मेल पार्ट ऑफ अ फ्लावर. तो यहाँ पर मेल गैमेट कौन से होंगे? पोलन ग्रेन्स आर योर मेल गैमेट्स ऑफ द फ्लावर. सो हेयर करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी सी. नेक्स्ट इज cod liver oil is rich in which vitamin? So cod liver oil is rich in vitamin A and D both. तो यहाँ पर दो ऑप्शंस हो सकते हैं आपके, ठीक, विटामिन A and विटामिन D. Next is which of the following hormones is not secreted by human placenta? D will be the correct option, LH, that is your luteinizing hormone. Occasionally, a single gene may express more than one effect. The phenomenon is called pleiotropy. C will be the correct option. What causes polio? Virus causes polio. A will be the correct option. Next is identify the odd one from the following. लेबिया माइनोरा, फाइम्ब्रे, इन्फंटिबुलम, इस्थमस. तो यहाँ पर आपको पता है कि फाइम्ब्रे, इन्फंटिबुलम एंड इस्थमस जो है इंटरनल फीमेल जेनाइटल के पार्ट्स हैं, वेयर एज जो लेबिया माइनोरा है वो आपके फोल्ड्स होते हैं. तो यहाँ पर जो लेबिया माइनोरा है दैट इज़ द एक्सटर्नल पार्ट ऑफ द फीमेल जेनाइटल ट्रैक्ट. सो यहाँ पर करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो जाएगा हमारा ए, लेबिया माइनोरा. विच गैस कॉजेज ग्लोबल वार्मिंग? Carbon dioxide. A will be the correct option. Which cell organelle is called suicidal bag? Lysosome. Lysosomes are known as the suicidal bags. B will be the correct option. Name the animal cell which changes its shape. White blood cells. A will be the correct option. Fossils are generally found in sedimentary rocks. A will be the correct option. Smack is a drug obtained from the leaves of cannabis sativa. B will be the correct option. What is the name of the male hormone? Testosterone. C will be the correct option. Who discovered cells? Robert Hooke discovered cells. C will be the correct option. The genetically modified GM brinjal in India has been developed for insect resistance. B will be the correct option. The covering of lung is pleura. B will be the correct option. Which one is the most important of microorganisms for the well-being of humans? Sewage treatment. A will be the correct option. The residue left after methane production from cattle dung is used as manure. C will be the correct option. The quantity of blood in human body is 5 to 6 liters. So here D will be the correct option. Which parts of the brain controls the heart? Medulla oblongata. B will be the correct option. To increase sugar production in sugar canes, dash are sprayed with gibberellin hormone. C will be the correct option. One of the following is not a common disorder associated with digestive system. तो यहाँ पर ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं टेटनस, डायरिया, जॉन्डिस एंड डायसेंट्री. आपको पता है डायरिया, जॉन्डिस, डायसेंट्री जो डिसऑर्डर्स हैं दैट इज़ एसोसिएटेड विद द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. सो यहाँ पर विच इज़ नॉट अ कॉमन डिसऑर्डर एसोसिएटेड विद डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इज टेटनस. ए विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Next is asexual reproduction takes place through budding in yeast. B will be the correct option. Carriers of genes are chromosomes. A will be the correct option. The pH human urine is approximately 6. C will be the correct option. Knee joints and elbow joints are examples of hinge joint. D will be the correct option. Which acid is present in curd? B. Lactic acid. An area in the brain which is associated with strong emotions is known as limbic system. C will be the correct option. In cockroaches, air enters the body through spiracles. C will be the correct option. Cortisol is secreted from adrenal gland. C will be the correct option. Which physician discovered the circulation of blood? So William Harvey discovered the circulation of blood. A will be the correct option. If the diploid number of a flowering plant is 36, what would be the chromosome number in the endosperm? It is 54. C will be the correct option. The reproductive part of a plant is flower. D will be the correct option. Many pulses of daily use belong to one of the families of Fabaceae. B will be the correct option. Mature ovary forms the fruit. D will be the correct option. A conjoined and open vascular bundle will be observed in the transverse section of dicot stem. D will be the correct option. Which of the following is food of vultures? So dead animals are the food of vultures. D will be the correct option. When we peel the skin of a potato tuber, we remove periderm. A will be the correct option. Microorganisms act upon the dead plants to produce humus. D will be the correct options. Which tree is the natural purifier of water? Eucalyptus is the natural purifier of water. A is the correct option. A pure protein should normally have two ends. Fat is completely digested in the small intestine. We have discussed about the digestive system. वहाँ पर मैंने आपको डिटेल में समझाया था कि final digestion of fats, carbohydrates and proteins takes place in the small intestine. So here correct option is small intestine, that is option C. What are called kitchen of cells? Chloroplasts. Which one is the true fish? Dogfish is the true fish. C will be the correct option. Middle lamella mainly consists calcium. A will be the correct option. Ozone depletion is occurring due to CFC, chlorofluorocarbons. Bacteria which reduces nitrates in soil to nitrogen are pseudomonas. B will be the correct option. Which of the following are most suitable indicators of SO2 pollution in environment? Lichens. Bone related with skull is pterygoid. C will be the correct option. World Forest Day is celebrated on 21st March. C will be the correct option. Largest herbarium of India is located in Kolkata, West Bengal. A will be the correct option. Which of the following is known as the country wind? Denmark. D will be the correct option. During heavy exercise, we get cramps in legs due to accumulation of lactic acid. D will be the correct option. The minimum distance of distinct vision for a person is 25 cm. B will be the correct option. Energy currency of the cell is ATP. C will be the correct option. Which of the following test helps in diagnosis of cancer? Biopsy test. D will be the correct option. Which of the following enzymes are found in saliva? Ptyalin. C will be the correct option. Sugar controlling hormone in blood is known as insulin. A will be the correct option. An antibiotic resistance gene in a vector usually helps in the selection of transformed cells. B will be the correct option. Golden rice is a transgenic rice having gene for B carotene or beta carotene. So here C will be the correct option. So that's all about biology section. Don't forget to subscribe, like and to share my channel. Press the bell icon button for regular updates. Thank you. Keep supporting, keep motivating.